PG 2024 admit card. Students want a revision of test city centers. Here's what NBE said. IIM Sirmaur introduces PG program on leadership in smart manufacturing. IIT Madras receives single largest donation of rupees 228 crores from alumnus. ISRO, IIT Hyderabad host AI for Space program to propel innovation.
Hello and welcome everyone. This is Pallavi reporting from Education News Network, and today's top news are: the National Board of Examinations in Medical Science will release the admit card of NEET PG on August 8. The exam is scheduled to be held on Sunday, August 11th. After announcing the NEET PG cities on July 31st, the NBEMS released another set of revised city slips on August 4th. However, some students are still complaining that the city centers allotted to them are not feasible location and require a lot of travel time. Abhijat Seth, NBE chief, said that after students raised their displeasure with exam city allotments, we decided to add more exam centers, and thus some students may have received revised city slips. This time we have chucked out private exam centers to ensure safety, and as a result of this, some students may have to travel a bit far for their exam centers. Not every student can have a venue close by, because even if we allot them in the centers in the same state, students may have to travel 100 to 150 kilometers. The Indian Institute of Management, Sirmaur, has announced the launch of the postgraduate program for the executives focused on the leadership in smart manufacturing. The application process for the 1-year full-time, fully residential PG LSM program is open now. The program, developed in collaboration with RWTH Aachen University in Germany, aims to equip senior professionals with the skill and knowledgeable indeed to lead the era of Industry 4.0. Interested candidates can visit the IIM Sirmaur website for more information on eligibility criteria, application deadlines, and other details. The program will begin in January 2025. The advanced program combines academic coursework with practical insights from industry experts, ensuring that experienced engineers gain more comprehensive understanding of the latest technologies, strategies, and leadership practices in smart manufacturing. IIT Madras has received its largest single donation of 228 crores from alumnus Dr. Krishna Chivukula, a 1970 MTech graduate in aerospace engineering and founder of Indo-US MIM Tech. Chivukula's donation is among the largest ever to an Indian educational institution. To honor him, IIT Madras has named a new academic block, the Krishna Chivukula Block. The donation will support various initiatives including scholarships for international students, research grants, undergraduate fellowships, sports scholarships, and the development of Shastra magazine. It will also help to maintain the Krishna Chivukula Block. IIT Madras Director Professor V. Kamakoti praised Chivukula's contribution as a testament to the lasting value of education. In 2023-24 financial year, IIT Madras raised 513 crore, a 135% increase from previous year, with 367 crore coming from alumni alone. ISRO, NRSC, and IIT Hyderabad recently collaborated to organize an AI for Space immersion program to foster innovation among startups and student research teams nationwide. The event, which took place over a day, brought together a vibrant mix of startups, researchers, students, and industry experts, all focused on exploring the transformative role of artificial intelligence in the space sector. The program featured interactive ideation sessions, mentorships from ISRO scientists, and workshops designed to refine participants' ideas. The event was supported by InSpace and included pitch workshops and inspiring talks from the key industry figures such as Anand Rajgopalan of TN2 Space, Nagabharat of Skyroot, and Vinod Batla of ISRO. A total of 177 applications were received, with 74 teams selected to participate in the immersion program. Thank you for joining us. Please log into www.theENN.com for more information. That's the wrap with Pallavi Kulkarni. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.